Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payment failed on Facebook ads. First thing you need to do is check your payment information and verify that they are accurate. No error, because even a small error can cause payment failure. Next, ensure that your card hasn't expired and that it has sufficient funds to cover your ad costs. Next, contact your bank or payment provider, because sometimes banks might block transactions or prevent potential fraud, especially for international payments. So don't forget to contact them to ensure they are not blocking Facebook ads payments. Also, there might be technical issues on their end. That's another reason why you need to contact them. Then if this doesn't work, update your payment method, because your current payment method might fail. So try adding a new credit or debit card. Next, in Nigeria, Facebook generally accepts Naira cards from major banks like Zenith, GTB, First Bank, Access Bank, and UBA. Consider using a virtual USD card for more seamless international transactions. Then, please clear outstanding balances. If you have any unpaid balances from previous ad campaigns, Facebook will likely prevent you from running new ads unless these are settled. So check your billing history and pay any outstanding amount. Do not forget to verify Facebook advertising policies. Ensure your ad content complies with Facebook advertising policies, because violation can sometimes lead to payment issues or account restrictions. Do not forget to check for account spending limits. In your ad account settings, review if you've set an account spending limit that has been reached. If so, you need to adjust or remove it. By systematically checking